Hey guys, we're going to do a zesty chili recipe. Getting colder out there, winter time's coming on, it'll be a good recipe to get. First off, you want to preheat your Dutch oven. Then we want to put about 2 tablespoons of oil in there. And then we want to add 2 yellow onions. Green bell pepper and 1 jalapeno pepper. And get these sauteing and cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes. After about 5 minutes, you want to add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Then let it all cook for another 2 minutes. It's been a couple minutes. Now we want to add 1 can of tomato paste in there. We want to work this in and get it all worked in and cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. And guys, and this is what it's supposed to look like after you got it all incorporated. At this time, we want to add 2 pounds of lean ground beef. And for you deer hunters out there and stuff, and it's a good time to use this to put in your venison. Slowly let it taste, let it cook for a couple of minutes here, and then we'll go to the next step. So this next step is real important. After you get a couple minutes of cooking and browning your meat, you want to slowly work in 2 cups of beef broth. What I usually do is I'll work in 1 cup, then we'll work in the other cup later. And at this time, we want to add our spices to this. And the spices would be 4 tablespoons of chili pepper, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of salt. And we get this meat all worked in and almost done. Then we'll add the other cup of beef broth to this. So when your paste, it should be looking just like this. Then we want to work in another cup of beef broth. Get that all worked in. And after we got the last cup of beef broth worked in, then we want to put 1 can of crushed tomatoes. And that's I think a 15-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 2 cans of 10-ounce Rotella, drained, and then 2 cans of chili beans. I use black beans, but you can also use chili beans, black beans, or kidney beans. And get it all worked in. Bring it to a simmer. To the simmer, you want to cover it, reduce the heat, and let it cook for 2 hours. Almost forgot the special ingredient. 1 tablespoon of Worcester sauce. This is your finished product right there. You can use crackers. Some people put noodles in their chili. Let me know if you put noodles in your chili or you don't. And we'll give this a taste here. That's some good stuff there.